Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any of the 3D cartoon avatar for your Unreal Engine 5.3 the easiest way. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. First, just open the Vroid Studio and click create to create a 3D avatar, to create a manga cartoon 3D avatar. The Vroid Studio is the best software to just immediately create a 3D manga avatar. First, I'm going to select a hairstyle. Very quick, I'm going to just select from the template here because this is just a demo. Alright, next up, what I'm going to do is just go to the outfits and select an outfit for this 3D avatar. Let's say I select this. Once I direct click it, it already apply the outfits. And then for this Vroid Studio, for this software, actually you can just create really a lot of the faces here. You can go to the face, you can just customize all of the eyes, the eyebrow, eyelashes, the hairstyle, even the hairstyle, the hair color, or you can modify it. Right, you can just modify it from here. Once you feel satisfied already, the next step just to save it. Alright, as demo, I'm going to just create a new folder here. I'm going to name this as Avatar01. Alright, then I already have this new folder. I'm going to save it here. First, I click here and save as. It is on my desktop, Avatar01. The name, I'm going to name this as Avatar01 as well. Then I click save. Next up, just export as VRM. Then just wait for a while after you click this part. Right, next up, click export. The title, just put your avatar's name, Avatar01. Then the creator, just put your name. My name is Freedom. Then I scroll down. Then I click export. Now it is exporting as VRM file. Then I will save it in the same folder, Avatar01 VRM. I click save. Then the VRM file will save it. It will save inside the folder. Next, I can just close the Vroid Studio. Now you can see I have a Vroid file. Next time, if I open the Vroid Studio, I still can re-edit the Vroid project file. And the VRM file is the 3D model that you already exported as VRM file. Next, we are going to make this as FBX as the first step. Right, the next step, you can just go to my video descriptions. I already share the download link at there, the Vroid to FBX converter. This converter is already in your video description. Once you already download it, you have to extract it and you will get these 3 items. Right, these 3 items, the first step, you have to open the Blender 2.9. This is a Blender 2.9 that I share with you. So these 2 plugins you have to install inside your Blender 2.9. So as demo, I'm going to open it. Open the Blender 2.9. Right, next step, click the edit, preferences, then go to the add-ons, click install. From my desktop, the Vroid to FBX converter. You have to make sure you install the Cats Blenders plugin master and the VRM add-on for Blender release. These 2 that given by me. Just double click to install one of it, then click install again, install the VRM add-on for Blender release. Next, search it from here, Cat. Then make sure the Cats Blenders plugin already activated. Then you search VRM as well to make sure the VRM import export already activated. Once done already, you can close it. Then at this moment, press A to select all and press delete button to delete everything from here. Press N you should be able to see your Cat Splendors plugin is already here. Then you can see a triple line here. Click and import the VRM from my desktop. The avatar01 avatar01.vrm, the file is here. I double click it. Then at next moment it is going to import into here. Alright. Now next up, click the wrench here. Then untick everything. We only want to select the fixed material, make sure it is here. Then click OK. Click fix model. It is going to fix everything. Right, now you can see all of the material texture is already here. Next step, we can just save it. Save as a Blender file first as a backup. Right. Now, to save it, just click File, Save As. It is on my desktop. The Avatar01 folder, I'm going to save it in the same folder. Name this as Avatar01 as well. The Blender's file name. Click Save. The Blender file's name. Now you can see the Blender file also already saved. Save ready. Next, what you need to do is just click here. Export the model. Continue to export. The path mode, choose copy. And make sure this already highlighted in blue color. This is to make sure all of the material texture were embedded inside the FBX that you exported. Click Export FBX. Now you can see the FBX is already exported here. Alright, next we are going to make this FBX file to be game ready. Game ready means we are going to make all of the materials texture, combine all of the material texture to be just one single material, one single texture. Alright, so next I'm going to close the Blender. I can save one more time and close it. This FBX file, we are going to bake all of the material. So for this moment, I'm going to choose the Autodesk Maya. Alright, I'm going to open the Autodesk Maya. Before that, you have to make sure you already installed the Simplygon. Right, so you can just go to my video descriptions, go and download the Simplygon plugin. Right, you have to make sure you already install the Autodesk Maya before you install the Simplygon plugin. So now, once I already install the Autodesk Maya, then I also already installed the Simplygon plugin. So if I go to the window, Preferences, Setting and Preferences, go to the plugin manager, search it here, Simplygon. Make sure these two have to be loaded. You have to select 1, 2, 3, 4, all of this to make sure it works. Once you already select it, you should be able to see the Simplygon is here. The next step, in Autodesk Maya, go to the window, Setting and Preferences, go to the Preferences. From here, you have to go to the setting, and then you have to set from centimeter to meter. Make sure the unit is meter. Then click Save. Now you can see this is in meter. For all of this, 1 meter for every grid is 1 meter square. Next step, you can just import your FBX file into your Maya. It is here, the Avatar01, drag and drop. Now you can see your 3D avatar, your Avatar01 already imported into Maya. Next, what you need to do is just select from here. You have to make sure your outliner can sync. Right, click the first one, the armature. Click the first one, the armature. Scroll down, hold the shift, click the last ones. And then do not select the camera, do not select the default light and default object set. You just need to make sure all of this selected, then click add LOD components. Move your mouse cursor to the templates, move to basic, then choose the aggregations with material baking. Then expand the aggregation setting. The merge geometry, just untick it. We no need to merge the geometry. We just want to bake off the material texture. Then once done, just click here to let the baking process proceed. This is the material baking process. You just need to wait for a while. Alright, once it is go to the 100%, once done already, you should be able to see it is here the face LOD once, the body LOD once, and also the hair LOD once. Once you can see these three, then you just need to scroll up and then delete the face, delete the body, and delete the hair. You can just select three of this, hold the control to select it one by one. Then press delete button to delete it. Once you've done this step, then back to your Avatar 01 folder, right click to create a new folder, name this as material bake from Maya Simply Gone. Make sure you create this folder so that you can remember which file is it. Then this is the Simply Gone plugin. This is Autodesk Maya, so I name this material bake from Maya Simply Gone. I double click to go in. Then from Maya, I click File, Export All. Then the file of type, choose FBX export. Then add here. You have to scroll down, make sure that the FBX file format you choose 2011. Do not use the latest ones, we just need the FBX 2011. The file name, alright. Copy this destination location, then paste it here. Press enter. The file name, name this as Avatar 01 as well. Click export all. It is going to export as FBX file. Once done already, just close this. Alright, now you already have a game ready cartoon 3D model. The next step, you can just open your Unreal Engine 5.3. As demo, I'm going to just create a fresh new game project, a third-person game project. The project name is My Project 10, Perfect 10. Alright, I click create. Now the Unreal Editor is creating a fresh new third-person game project. Just wait for a while until 100%. Right. Now you can see this is a fresh new third-person game project. If you try to play, this is the mannequin, and we are going to make our 3D avatar, the Avatar 01, to become the main avatar or NPC inside your Unreal Engine 5 game project. The first step, what you need to do is go to the window, content browser, to call out a content browser, drag and drop to the bottom, then click the content. Alright. And here under the content folder, right click to create a new folder, name this as Avatar 01. Press enter 2 times. Next, just import the Avatar 01 FBX. drag and drop into here and release your mouse. Then it is going to pop out a FBX import options. What you need to do is just expand the advanced, select the import morph targets, then unexpand again, the import uniform scale change to 100, then click import all. Just wait for a while. Now once it finish imported, it is going to pop out a message log. You can close this, you can close this folder. Now you can see you already have this game ready 3D avatar. The skeleton mesh, the first step what you need to do is just open the skeleton mesh and maximize it. This is your avatar. Alright. Now you can see the material is not yet set up properly. What you need to do is just go and double click this, the Simplygon cast material, double click it. Then you can see the most colorful ones, the base color, drag this. What you need to do is just click the empty area. Then you should be able to see the blend mode is translucent. Translucent, you have to change it to mask. Then the tool side you have to activate it. Then trace the base color. This is the base color. See, this is the base color. The next step, just connect the RGB to the emissive color. Make sure the emissive color is connected to this UV as well. At the same time, it connected to base color. Then drag the alpha to opacity mask. Once you've done this step, just click save. Then close. Now try to open your skeleton mesh. You should be able to see that now all of the material already set up properly and it is really fast. Alright. Then try to look at the material. You can see if this material under the emissive, if you take off the emissive, then you try to save it. Then look at your avatar. It doesn't look like the cartoon anymore because of the shadow. So under the material, you better connect the RGB to the emissive color and save to make sure that it look very nice, look like the cartoon, look like the manga. Then you can close this. Next, we are going to make this 3D avatar, this cartoon avatar, to become the game avatar at here. What you need to do is just go to my video descriptions to download the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.6. Go and get Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.6. I already put it in Gumroad. You can just go and get it. Then you can see if you already download the Freedom Animation Pipeline, it is a zip folder. You have to extract it into your computer. Extract it into the folder. Then the next step, right click the documents, open in a new window. And here, go to the Unreal Project folder and go into your project directory. Look at your project. What is your project name? It is my project 10, the perfect 10. So go into the project directory. You can see a content folder as well. Open the content folder here. Then in your freedom animation pipeline, open the content folder as well. Then copy the freedom animation pipeline and paste into your content folder. At this moment, then once it's done, close off the folder, back to your Unreal Engine game project. Back to the content folder, you should be able to see the freedom animation pipeline is here. Then this is your Avatar 01 folder. Next step, we are going to make this 3D avatar to become the game avatar. The default game avatar is the UE5 mannequin. We are going to change it to become the Avatar 01. There are just left a few steps. Close this, back to the content folder. Then go to the freedom animation pipeline. You should be able to see a Vroid. Double click the Vroid, go into the female because this avatar is female avatar. Go to the female avatar. Then you should be able to see a Vroid female IK rig. See IK rig. Right click this IK rig and click duplicate. Then rename it properly. Delete the Vroid female. Then name this as Avatar 01. Enter. Then try to find it here. You can see this is an IK retargetor. The Vroid female to Vroid female IK retargetor. Do the same, right click to duplicate it. Then name this properly. Press F2. Then remove number 1. Then rename this as Vroid female to Avatar 01 IK retargetor. Now you can see you already renamed this. The new name is Vroid female to Avatar 01 IK retargetor. Then this one is the Avatar 01 IK rig. What you need to do is just move the IK retargetor, Avatar 01 and the IK rig. You hold the shift to double select it. Move it to your folder. You can see the Avatar 01 folder is here. This is the outliner. The Avatar 01 is here. You have to drop it into your Avatar 01 folder. Then choose move here. Then back to your folder. Now in your Avatar 01 folder, now you have an IK rig. Double click the IK rig. This is not your 3D avatar. You have to select your avatar here, change it to become the Avatar 01. Then click save and close. Then choose your IK retargetor, double click it. Under the target IK rig assets, you have to change it to become your Avatar 01 IK rig. Once you've done this step, you can just save and close. Alright. Next, back to the content. Go to your freedom animation pipeline again. Go into your Vroid folder, go into the female, go into the animation folder. And here you should be able to see a third person animation blueprint. Right click it, retarget the animation assets, duplicate and retarget the animations assets blueprint. The IK retargetor, you have to choose the one just now, the Vroid female to Avatar 01 IK retargetor. Choose this. Then click retarget. At this moment, you need to wait for a while now. It is automatically automatically jump back to the content folder, and you can see it already retargeted to your Vroid 3D avatar. The first thing what you need to do is find the third person animation blueprint underscore Vroid. Click and press F2 to rename. Then delete the Vroid female. Under the animation, after the animation blueprint underscore, you name this as Avatar 01 and press enter. Next, go into your Avatar 01 folder, right click to create a new folder, name this as animations and press enter. Back to the content folder. For your outliner here, scroll until you see your Avatar 01, expand it until you can see the animations. Then, under the content folder, you select the first ones, hold the shift, click the last ones, drag and drop into the animation folder. We move it to there. Then you can see all already there. The next step, back to the content folder. This is the final step. Go to the third persons. Go to the blueprint folder. This is the locations. We are going to make your Avatar 01's cartoon avatar to become the main avatar. So you have to right click the third person blueprint, the blueprint third person. Click duplicate, then press right buttons and backspace to delete the number ones. You put an underscore, name it according to your avatar's name, the Avatar 01, and press enter. Double click it, then go to the mesh, go to the viewport. The skeleton mesh assets, you have to choose your Avatar 01. See? Then the animation class, you have to choose the third person animation blueprint Avatar 01. Just now you already named it according to your avatar's name. So now you can see your avatar is ready. Click compile, click save, and click close. Next, go to the BP third person game mode. Double click it. From here, the default pawn class is the main avatar of the game, the player's avatar. Change it to become the BP third person character, Avatar 01. Choose this. Then click compile, click save, click close. Next, now you already done everything. If you try to play, you can see your manga avatar, your cartoon avatar, the Avatar 01 already become the game avatar in your Unreal Engine 5.3, the third person game project. This is really awesome. Now you already make your cartoon avatar to become the main avatar in the game. So what if you want to make her as an NPC? You just need to right click and duplicate the BP third person character, Avatar 01. Right click and duplicate it. Then the 02, you just need to delete it. Put an underscore, name this as NPC and press enter. So now this is the NPC and this is the main avatar. If you want to set the program for your NPC, you want to set some interactions, some programs, blueprints for your NPC, you just need to come here and then create a blueprint here to make your avatar interactive with your player or other NPC. Once done already, just compile and save, close. Drag your NPC into the scene, then press E to rotate it. Try to play again. Now you can see you yourself The player itself is the Avatar 01. Now you can see the Avatar 01 appear as an NPC in the game as well. This is the way to create the NPC. And it is really awesome. It is easy to do. And everything just step by step. Alright. Then just don't forget to click File and Save All to save your game project to make sure already there. It's really awesome. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorial for how to create any cartoon avatar for your Unreal Engine 5.3 to make it become a game avatar in your Unreal Engine 5.3 third-person game project. And it is really easy. It is really awesome. You can make it. And then just go back to the content, go to the avatar. Something that you can see is for the facial expressions, it is programmable in your game as well. Now you can see you can manipulate the facial expression by using all of the morph targets. You can program it. It is up to you. Maybe you can use it, maybe you don't use it. It is up to you as a game developer. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!